Welcome to the HP Designjet How to Use video series. In this episode, I will show you how to navigate the front panel of the HP Designjet T3500 Production eMFP. The front panel gives you complete control of your printer. From the front panel, you can print, view information about the printer, change printer settings, perform calibrations, and test, and so on. The front panel also displays alerts with warnings and error messages whenever necessary. The front panel has the following components, starting with the high-speed USB port, which is located here. The high-speed USB port is intended for connecting a USB flash drive, which can provide files to be printed or a destination for scanned files. When a USB flash drive is inserted, a USB icon is displayed on the front panel's home screen. The front panel itself is a touch-sensitive screen with a graphical user interface. Located below the front panel is the loudspeakers. The power key is located here, which you can use to turn the printer on or off. The key is illuminated when the printer is on. It flashes when the printer is in sleep mode. The front panel has a large central area to display dynamic information and icons. There are two desktops with different dynamic icons. To change from one to the other, you just slide the screen. Following items are displayed only on the home screens. At the top left of the screen is a message showing the printer status or the most important current alert. Over here we have the USB icon, which you can press to see more information about the USB flash drive. This icon only appears when a USB flash drive is inserted. Over here we have the print icon. You can click on this in order to print from the USB drive. Over here we have the scan icon. You press this to scan a sheet of paper and store the image in a file, either in a network folder or on a USB flash drive. Or you can send the scanned file via an email message. Over here we have the copy icon, which can be used to copy a sheet of paper which will be scanned and then printed. Down here we have the paper icon, which you can use to view the paper status and perform paper handling operations. Over here we have the job queue icon, which can be used to view and manage the print and scan job queues. This menu allows you to reprint the last job, pause or resume printing, and access the job queue. From within the job queue, you can reprint old jobs, continue print jobs that are on hold, cancel print jobs, or move a print job up in the queue. This is also the menu you will access if you have utilized a private or personal job setting in the driver. A smaller warning icon appears if there are jobs on hold. Over here we have the ink icon, which can be used to view the ink supply status and perform any ink cartridge operations. Moving on to the second desktop, we have the printed icon. This can be used to view the printed status, including warranty and installation date. Over here we have the settings icon, where you can view information about the printer and scan status, change printer settings, or initiate actions such as loading paper or replacing ink supplies. The setup menu is the one that you will need to be familiar with. Over here we have the connectivity icon, which you can use to view network and internet status and change related settings. The connectivity menu is usually only accessed during the initial setup or if the printer is moved. This allows you to set up the connection to the onboard gigabit Ethernet port. In addition, you can allow SNMP, which allows access to the embedded web server and restores the printer to factory settings. Down below we have the printer icon, which you can use to view information about the printer. And lastly, we have the printer usage counter. This last menu gives you details on the usage of the device since the first day of use. It shows the information in total square feet or milliliter of ink used. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more in-depth information, I recommend that you refer to the user's manual which shipped with your printer on a CD, or you can download it at hp.com under the support tab.